Most accurate forecast.
This is the best the radar is going to look, so take it in because very little to no rain for tonight. That will change tomorrow as rain moves back in the forecast. For today, most of that rain to our south over middle Georgia as that front is to our south. We will see some rain, but not until after midnight. So until then, low chances of rain, lots of clouds, temperatures in the 50s and 40s. Then tomorrow morning, that's when that rain moves back in the forecast. It will be a wet Thursday morning commute, so plan on some rain. The other thing you'll notice is temperatures tomorrow, instead of getting warmer, which is what normally happens, they're actually going to get colder. So as the rain moves in, then we'll see that colder air move in. And once that happens, that's when we'll see that wintry mix across the North Georgia mountains. So let me take you hour by hour, starting off at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, 47 in Atlanta, 44 in Ellijay. So even in the North Georgia mountains, temperatures well above freezing. But as we head into the afternoon, temperatures start to drop. 30s in Gainesville, 40 in Ellijay, even 41 in Atlanta. That's when we'll start to see that wintry mix, mainly in the upper elevations of the North Georgia mountains where temperatures will be close to freezing. Notice it continues through the afternoon, especially in northeast Georgia. Expecting mostly rain here in the metro by 4 o'clock, 39 in Atlanta. Those temperatures will continue to drop. The rain is out of here by about 6 or 7 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, but then temperatures will drop, and anything that did not evaporate could turn into black ice, because here's a look at temperatures Friday morning. 28 in Ellijay, 30 in Gainesville, 33 in Atlanta and Griffin, 31 in Canton, 20s in Rome and Carrollton. So we're watching very closely for exactly when this moisture moves out, how much will evaporate and how much will be left behind, because certainly ice, especially on bridges and overpasses, could be a problem for Friday morning's commute. Here's a look at potential ice for tomorrow. So not the black ice, but the actual ice here on the roads. As this system moves in, it will start as rain, then freezing rain, then into a wintry mix. And it's those upper elevations of the North Georgia mountains that could definitely see up to 1/10 of an inch of ice, which could cause some driving hazards. On top of that, we could see some snow, 1 to 2 inches possible. And that is why a winter weather advisory is in effect for the North Georgia mountains for slippery roads and dangerous driving. That's going to be the biggest concern here in the North Georgia mountains as the system moves in tomorrow. As far as those snow totals go, again, not expecting any accumulations if we see any flurries in the northern suburbs, but it's the North Georgia mountains, especially northeast Georgia, where we could see 1 to 2 inches of snow. Elevations above 2,500 feet could see 2 inches of snow. So here in a nutshell, what we're expecting: wintry mix and snow. Far north Georgia could see ice up to 1/10 of an inch, which definitely could cause some driving hazards, and up to 2 inches of snow in the highest elevations of the North Georgia mountains. Again, this is for the mountains. Here in the city, we're just seeing dropping temperatures. It will be windy. It will be wet. It is a nasty, nasty day tomorrow with temperatures in the 40s through the afternoon. Staying cold on Friday, a high of only 46, and then we finally warm up 50s and 60s as we head towards the weekend. So until then, it will be cold, it will be wet, it will be windy, it will be yucky. So here's your warning. Try to stay in tomorrow if you can. Time to